How to make your Twitter account private. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Twitter application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings and privacy option you see there. Further, in settings, tap on the privacy and safety option and then tap on the audience and tagging option you see there. Further, in the interface that you will be led to, you will see the option for protect your post and protect your videos. Go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for both these options. That is, toggle on the toggle button for protect your post and protect your videos. With this, only the people that you follow will be able to see your post and the videos that you post, and not everyone will be able to view your posts and videos. So this was about how you can make your Twitter account private. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.